When you're out in the wild, far from civilization, having a reliable power source can make all the difference. Whether you're camping, hiking, RVing, or just preparing for emergencies, a portable power station ensures your devices stay charged and your adventures stay uninterrupted. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best portable power stations for outdoor camping, each offering unique features to fit different needs. Before we dive in, make sure to check the links in the description for the latest discounts on these power stations. Buying through our links supports the channel at no extra cost to you, so thank you in advance. Now, let's get into it. Number 5. BailiBatt 300-watt portable power station. Starting off our list at number 5 is the BailiBatt 300-watt portable power station, a compact and lightweight option perfect for short trips and small devices. Weighing just 3.6 pounds, this power station is incredibly portable, making it ideal for backpackers or anyone who needs power on the go. With a 257 watt-hour capacity, 69,600 milliamp hours, it can charge smartphones, tablets, cameras, and even laptops multiple times. It features dual 120-volt pure sine wave, AC outlets, and 12 volts, 120 watts. DC outputs, allowing you to run up to 8 devices simultaneously, as long as the total load doesn't exceed 300 watts. One of its standout features is the built-in LCD screen, which displays real-time power usage, battery level, and temperature. Plus, its Grade A lithium battery supports over 1,500 charge cycles, ensuring long-term reliability. For campers who need a simple, no-frills power solution, the BailiBatt is a great budget-friendly pick. Just remember to recharge it every 1 to 2 months, if not in use, to maintain battery health. Number 4. DARAN 300-watt LifePO4 portable power station. At number 4, we have the DARAN 300-watt portable power station, which stands out for its lithium iron phosphate battery technology. Unlike standard lithium-ion batteries, LifePO4 offers greater thermal stability, longer lifespan, 3,500 plus cycles, and enhanced safety, making it perfect for frequent outdoor use. With 204.8 watt-hours, 64,000 milliamp hours capacity, it's slightly smaller than the BailiBatt, but makes up for it with 600 watt surge power, allowing it to handle brief high-power demands. It includes 2 pure sine wave AC outlets, 300 watts, a 100-watt USB-C PD port, a 30-watt USB-A port, and a 12-volt car port, giving you plenty of charging options. What's really impressive is its pass-through charging, meaning you can recharge it while still powering devices. It also supports solar charging, up to 100 watts with MPPT controller, making it a great off-grid companion. If you want a durable, long-lasting power station with advanced safety features, the DARAN is a fantastic mid-range choice. Number 3. Pangootek 300-watt LifePO4 solar generator. Taking the 3rd spot is the Pangootek 300-watt solar generator, another LifePO4-based power station built for rugged outdoor use. With 299 watt-hour capacity, it delivers 300 watts continuous power, 600 watts peak, making it capable of running small appliances like mini fridges, CPAP machines, and even some power tools. It features 9 output ports, including 2 pure sine wave AC outlets, a 60-watt USB-C PD port, 2 QC 3.0 USB ports, and a 12-volt car port. The built-in MPPT solar charge controller allows efficient solar recharging, and it can be fully charged in 5 to 8 hours with a 100-watt solar panel. What sets it apart is its over 2,000 cycle lifespan and 10+ years of usage, thanks to the ultra-stable lithium iron phosphate battery. It also includes multiple safety protections: overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuit, ensuring your devices stay safe. For campers who need a balance of power, durability, and solar compatibility, the Pangootek is a top contender. Number 2. BLUETTI EB 3A plus 100-watt solar panel. Coming in at number 2 is the BLUETTI EB 3A solar generator, a premium portable power station bundled with a 100W solar panel. With 268 watt-hours capacity and 600 watts continuous power, 1,200 watts surge. It's powerful enough for CPAP machines, laptops, and small kitchen appliances. What makes it special? Ultra-fast charging. It can go from 0% to 80% in just 2.6 hours with solar, or 30 minutes with AC plus solar combined. The pure sine wave AC outlets ensure clean power for sensitive electronics, while the built-in MPPT controller maximizes solar efficiency. It also doubles as a reliable home backup power source with UPS uninterrupted power supply functionality that kicks in instantly during outages. For those who want fast charging, solar readiness, and premium build quality, the BLUETTI EB3A is a stellar pick. Number 1. Jackery Explorer 1000 V2, best overall. And now, the best portable power station for camping, the Jackery Explorer 1000 V2. This 1070 watt-hour powerhouse delivers 1,500 watts continuous power, 3,000 watts surge, making it capable of running mini fridges, electric grills, and even small air conditioners. What sets it apart? LiFePO4 battery with 4,000 plus cycles, 10+ year lifespan. 1 hour fast charging via AC. 7 output ports, including 3 pure sine wave AC outlets, 2 USB-C, 100 WPD, and a 12-volt Carport Smart app control for remote monitoring and emergency charging. It's also solar compatible, though you'll need Jackery's own solar panels for optimal performance. If you want the most powerful, longest lasting, and feature-packed portable power station, the Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 is the ultimate choice. So there you have it, the top 5 best portable power stations for camping in 2025. Whether you need a lightweight option like the BailiBatt, a solar-ready beast like the BLUETTI, or the best overall performer from Jackery, there's something here for every adventurer. Don't forget to check the links below for the best deals. And if this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews. Stay powered, stay adventurous, and we'll see you in the next one.